What's up, Tooligans? It's your boy 2 times. This is Pro Tools approved. And wait till you see this. I'll give you a hint. It's red. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the new from my friends at Mellif, the Milwaukee powered snow shovel. Oh yeah, let's get a look at this. Okay, so I did have to break it down to throw it up on top of the desk here. Take a look at it. I'll do as best I can to show this off to you. So my friends at Mellif sent this over. It is their newest powered snow shovel. Can't wait to use this. I actually want snow this year. They do come with their batteries. If you have not seen their batteries, these things are built as well as any other name brand battery. Nice rubber corners, really solid case, excellent LED light up. I'll pull it apart. I'll show you the circuit board inside, the 18650 cells. It is a 4 amp hour. If I get that in focus there a little bit, probably not, but runs Milwaukee. It's red. On the side here, what does it say? Got some warnings about 90 decibels. Don't put your paws in there while it's running. You'll lose them. This is what the back looks like. Nice little fins on there to help it move along nicely. On this side here, 18 volt, 12-inch cordless snow plow, model MFSS03-12. Maximum clearing width, 12 inches, 305 millimeters. Maximum clearing depth, 6 inches, 150 millimeters. Maximum throwing distance, 17 feet, 5 meters. 18 volts max, no load speed, 2400 RPMs. Battery capacity, 18 volts, 4 amp hour. Charger, 18 volts, 2 amp hour. Weight without battery, 7.9 pounds. So it is not super heavy. You're not really gonna be lifting it up too much anyway. Got our directional knobby knob here. You wanna throw it to the left, throw it to the right, throw it out in front of you. Ooh. Let's do this a little bit more, get some adjustment on there. There is the throwing mechanism. Looks like all the other standard ones. Nice shape to it. Really sturdy. I can't get a bend on almost any of this. Man, this thing's gonna hold up. I really can't wait to get out there and use this. Let me put the handle back on it. Get some RPMs, some rip'ems going here. Give you a measurement on the total length. First, let me cut to the battery. Let's take a look at the internals on this, and then we'll do all the stuff I was just mumbling about. All right, well, I know you guys are gonna ask me, so here is the inside of the battery. Nice insulated padding on the outside. Look like good cells. I don't know exactly what brand these are. Pause it, screenshot it, look up what you have to for the important info. Here is the rest of the handle. It comes 3 pieces, the base, this part, the top part. Got to throw this handle on there yourself. That's it. Fully put together in 2 minutes. Nice big handle here, plenty of room to grip, nice and strong. Good big knob on it if you need to adjust it. With the gloves on, no problem. Lots of room in this handle up here. If you've got your winter gloves or big old paws, you'll be able to get in there no problem. Battery clicks in, super nice underneath. It's in a good spot, so you're holding that weight, doesn't make it awkward. Your safety, click, 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 click. Good big trigger, so you can get lots of fingers on there, especially if you've got your winter gloves on. Let's put it together, look at it all at once. Total length on this, from front up to the end of the handle. It's about 57 inches. Super nice. When you put it together, pieces just slide into each other. Tighten up the collets here. That's it. Quick together. Just throw a battery on there. Sorry, usually cameras, you know, held up. That's it. It's nice. It's quiet. I know this will work well out in the street. As soon as I get some snow, I'll throw an update on there for you. Again, Mellif, I'll link it below. This is going to be awesome.